Good evening, folks. Welcome to Craig's Outdoor Adventures. Today I'm going to do a little review of a single shot 410 H&R that my dad bought me when I was about 10 years old. Shot a lot of rabbits and squirrels with it over the years, but don't shoot it much anymore because ammo's pretty expensive. But today I'm going to be shooting a 3-inch 6-shot round in it. We're going to shoot this bottle here. Hopefully you can see it, see what it does to it. So here we go. And as you can see, it tore it up pretty good. We're pretty close distance, so, but always had a lot of fun shooting this thing, and I thank you for watching, and see you next time.